Mathematics 2, Chapter 1, Similarity, Practice Set 1.2. Question 1. Given below are same triangles and lengths of line segments. Identify in which figures ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. We have to identify ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Angle QPR. So, in figure, PQ is equal to 7, PR is equal to 3, MQ is equal to 3.5, MR is equal to 1.5. So, PQ is equal to 7, PR is equal to 3, QM is equal to 3.5 and MR is equal to 1.5 is a given. So, let's say ratio QM upon MR. QM upon MR. QM is 3.5. MR is 1.5. So multiply 10 into 3.5 and 10 into 1.5. So 3.5 into 10. 1.5 into 10. So QM upon MR is equal to 3.5 into 10, 35. 1.5 into 10, 15. So 5 sevens are 5 threes are. So QM is equal to MR is equal to 7 upon 3. Suppose this is equation 1. Next, QP upon PR. So QP upon PR. QP is 7 upon PR is 3. So 7 upon 3. This is equation 2. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. See here. 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3. RHS इक्वल है तो LHS भी क्या रहेगा इक्वल रहेगा. So QM 7 upon 3 7 upon 3. Therefore QM upon MR is equal to QP upon PR. QP upon PR. See here. ये दो रेशो QM upon MR and QP upon PR. ये दो रेशो इक्वल है. ओके दो रेशो इक्वल है तो क्या रहेगा PM is bisector of angle QPR according to converse of angle bisector theorem, because of converse of angle bisector theorem. So by converse of angle bisector theorem, ray PM is the bisector of QPR. Ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Figure second. PQR in triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 10. PR is equal to 7. RM is equal to 6 and MQ is equal to 8. In triangle, PQR, PQ is equal to 10, PR is equal to 7, RM is equal to 6, and MQ is equal to 8. Then RP upon PQ is equal to, RP is 7, PQ is 10. So RP upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 10. Suppose this is equation 1. Next, हम लोग ने R से स्टार्ट किया है, RP अपॉन PQ, तो R से स्टार्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे भी, RM अपॉन MQ, RM upon MQ. RM is 6 upon 8. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So RM is equal to 3 upon 4. Suppose this is equation 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, RP, देखो 7 अपॉन 10, 3 अपॉन 4, दोनों रेशियो क्या है, डिफरेंट है. सो देयरफॉर आरपी अपॉन PQ नॉट इक्वल टू RM अपॉन MQ. देयरफॉर बाय converse of angle bisector theorem, रे PM रेशो इक्वल नहीं है, तो क्या रहेगा, रे PM is not the bisector of angle QPR. Got it? So रेशो इक्वल नहीं है तो बाइसेक्टर नहीं है, रेशो इक्वल होता है तो बाइसेक्टर होता है. सो क्वेश्चन सेकंड, in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of N if MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is equal to 2.5, then find QP. See here in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N, then find QP. So answer, in triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N. NQ is a bisector of angle N. Therefore, MQ upon QP. M से स्टार्ट करो, नहीं तो P से स्टार्ट कर दो, कहां से भी आप कर सकते. सो MQ अपॉन PQ, QP, MQ अपॉन QP is equal to MN upon NP. See here, MQ अपॉन QP एक रेशो हो गया. सेकंड रेशो MN, M से स्टार्ट किया हम लोग ने, तो M से वापस स्टार्ट करते, MN अपॉन NP. सो MQ इज इक्वल टू 2.5. सो बाय एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम, एंगल बाइसेक्टर थ्योरम। MQ इज इक्वल टू 2.5, QP फाइंड करना है, MN इज इक्वल टू 5 and NP is equal to 7. So do cross multiplication. QP into 5 is equal to 2.5 into 7. QP into 5 is equal to 2.5 into 7 is equal to 25 into 7 is equal to 175. यहाँ पे एक नंबर छोड़ के पॉइंट है, तो यहाँ पे भी क्या है, एक नंबर छोड़ के पॉइंट कहाँ पे आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा 7 और 5 के बीच में। सो QP इंटू 5 इज इक्वल टू 17.5, देयरफॉर QP इज इक्वल टू 17.5 अपॉन 5। सो 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 2 remain, so 25 हो गया। So 5 5s are 25. So QP is equal to 3.5. QP is equal to 3.5. Question number 6. Find QP using given information in the figure. Find QP using given information in the figure. So in triangle MPN NMP, in triangle NMP, see here, angle MNQ congruent angle PNQ, सिंबल इक्वल है, तो दो एंगल क्या है, इक्वल है। सो देयरफॉर NQ is the, say NQ is the angle bisector of bisector of angle N. Say NQ is the bisector of angle N, and therefore according to angle bisector theorem, MQ upon QP is equal to MQ upon QP is equal to MN upon NP upon NP. Angle bisector theorem. So MQ is equal to 14, QP फाइंड करना है, MQ 14, QP फाइंड करना है, MN is equal to 25, NP is 40, therefore 25 into QP cross multiply 14 into 40, 14 into 40, therefore QP is equal to 14 into 40 upon 25. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 80, 5 8s are 80, therefore QP is equal to 14 into 8 112, 112 upon 5, 112 divided by 5 is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, here remainder is 2, 20 हो गया, 5 4s are, therefore QP is equal to 22.4. QP is equal to 22.4. Question number 8. In triangle LMN, ray MT bisect angle LMN. Ray MT bisect angle LMN if LM is equal to 6, MN is equal to 10, TN is equal to 8, then find LT. So what is given? In triangle LMN, MT, ray MT bisect angle LMN. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, LM upon MN is equal to LM upon MN is equal to LT upon TN. Angle bisector theorem. So LM is equal to 6, MN is 10, LT फाइंड करना है, TN is 8, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई 10 into LT is equal to 6 into 8. Therefore, LT is equal to 6 into 8 divided by 10. So 2 4s are 2 5s are. So LT is equal to 6 into 4, 24 upon 5. So LT is equal to 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 4, 40 हो गया. So 5 8s are 40. So LT is equal to 4.8. LT is equal to 4.8. Question number 9. In triangle ABC, sec BD bisect angle ABC. In triangle ABC, sec BD bisect angle ABC if AB is equal to x, BC is equal to x plus 5, AD is equal to x minus 2 and DC is equal to x plus 2. Then find value of x. So here in triangle ABC, sec BD bisect angle ABC. Sec BD bisect angle ABC. Therefore, AB upon BC is equal to AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DC. Angle bisector theorem according to angle bisector theorem. So AB is x, BC is x plus 5, AD is equal to x minus 2, DC is x plus 2. Next, cross multiply x into x plus 2, x into x plus 2, x plus 5 into x minus 2. So x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x. So multiply this x into this bracket, second bracket, x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x. Next, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into minus 2, minus 6. Getting or not? See here. X into x, x square. X into minus 2, minus 2x. Again, 5 into x, 5x. 5 into minus 2, minus 10. Next, this x square get cancelled. So we get 2x is equal to this minus 2x plus 5x is 3x minus 10. Minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3 minus 10. Next, 2x minus 3x is equal to minus 10. ये 3x ए साइड आ गया तो माइनस हो गया. सो 2 minus 3 is minus x. 2x minus 3x is minus x. Minus x is equal to minus 10. Minus minus get cancelled. And therefore, x is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10. Understood? Thank you.